Andrea, somebody has asked us a couple of questions, so I think it's a good idea for... Oh, hello. So I was just explaining to Andrea that you guys have asked us some questions, and what we're going to do is just answer them for you. Okay, so Andrea, what is the best shampoo and conditioner that we use for our hair? The best shampoo that we use that gets rid of hair grease, hands down, is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Moisturizing Shampoo. Oh yeah, and don't forget to mention that we detangle our hair with this. This is the best shampoo that I've used. Right, as I was saying, this is the best shampoo we use to detangle our hair. About the deep conditioners, what do you think? For the deep conditioners, we go old school. We use the Elasta QP Deep Penetrating Moisturizing Conditioner. Absolutely. Old school favorite, Elastoplast. Elastoplast? Hope that answers your question for today's video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.